Remember the words you told me, love me till the day I die. Surrender my everything, cause you made me believe you're mine. Yeah, you used to call me baby, now you calling me by name. Takes one to know one, yeah, you beat me at my own damn game. You're pushing, I'm pulling away from you. I give and you take, giving you take. Young blood, say you want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it all of the time. Young blood, say you want me back in your life, so I'm just a dead man crawling tonight. Cause I need it, yeah, I need it all of the time. Lately conversations and like it's the last goodbye. Then one of us gets too drunk and calls about 100 times. So who you been calling, baby? Nobody could take my place. When you're looking at the strangers, hope to God you see my face. Young blood, say you want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it all of the time. Young blood, say you want me back in your life, so I'm just a dead man crawling tonight. Cause I need it, yeah, I need it all of the time. What's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you wanted to. All it takes is that one look you do, and I run right back to you. You cross the line, and it's time to say F you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I react? You think you can just take it back, but just don't work like that. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad. Guess I'm stuck with you, and that's that. Cause when it all falls down, then whatever. When it don't work out for the better, if it just ain't right and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad, but I'll be fine. Why we fight, I don't know. We say what hurts the most. Oh, I try staying cold, but you take it personal. All this firing shots and making ground is way too hard to cope, but I still can't let you go. Cause when it all falls down, then whatever. When it don't work out for the better, if it just ain't the line. When every one of them's giving up, giving in, tell me, in this house of mine. And nothing ever comes without a consequence, cause tell me, will this house align? Will have a step in, will it save small myself, will it? But this house of mine, stand strong. That's the price you pay. Leave behind your heartache, cast away. Just another product of today. Tree shadowing, what's happening? Looking through the glass, find a wrong within the past, knowing we are the youth. Call it to the beast, not a word without the beast, facing a bit of the truth, the truth. That's the price you pay. Leave behind your heartache, cast away. Just another product of today. Rather be the hunter than the prey. Help me, it's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. Laying on the bathroom floor, feeling nothing. I'm overwhelmed, insecure. Give me something I could take to ease my mind slowly. Just have a drink and you'll feel better. Just take her home and you'll feel better. Keep telling me that it gets better. Does it ever? Help me, it's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help me. I'm crawling in my skin. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. It isn't in my blood. Looking through my phone again, feeling anxious, afraid to be alone again. I hate this. I'm trying to find a way to chill, can't breathe. Oh, is there somebody who could help me? It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help